Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer from Binance to Coinbase. And let's say we want to transfer Solana. So first, log into your Coinbase account. Since we want to check if Coinbase supports Solana, you will have to connect to your Coinbase account. And to do this, simply access and log in using your credentials, which are your email address and password. After logging in, you will see the Coinbase dashboard. There, in the upper right corner of the screen, you have a search bar where you can look for Solana. So simply search for it and check if Coinbase supports it. Next, click on the Send and Review. In the upper right corner of the screen, you will notice the Send and Receive button. Click on that, then click on Receive. Then select Solana from the drop-down menu. You will see a QR code, and below that is the SOL address. Click on the Copy button. After copying it, it's time to log into your Binance account. Just like with Coinbase, sign in using your credentials. And once you're logged in, hover on the wallet icon and click on Overview. Then in the Estimated Balance section, you will see a Withdraw button. Click on this Withdraw button, and once you reach this page, it's time to actually transfer your funds from Binance to Coinbase. To do this, select Solana in the Select Coin section. Then paste the address you copied earlier in the Withdraw To section. The network will be automatically filled in. Select the withdrawal amount and check the withdrawal fees. Afterward, you can confirm the process and wait for the funds to reach your Coinbase account. So that is how to transfer from Binance to Coinbase.